Hello. Can we begin?
Yes.
Good evening, all.
Good evening, ma'am.
Okay. Students, we have done thermistor characteristics. And today, there is this virtual lab which we've been using for doing practicals, showing you practicals. And today we will be just running through it once again. Okay. This is a small activity which you will be graded in for your practical exams also. So a small activity wherein you will be just shown the thermistor characteristics and some questions will be asked. Okay. So we need not get worried on it. We just wanted students to go through this session because it is a must in our practicals. Okay. So absolutely no tension. All of you all see to it that you all put in your roll number and your name, full name in the chat box because I need the document to grade you accordingly. Okay, so that's one thing. And the other reason why we are showing you this virtual lab again, meaning we have already explained with videos and all, is because the next term, we don't know how things will be. If we still in the online mode, every student will be using virtual lab for the practicals. Have a look at how it works. Listen to it carefully. We have taken a very simple experiment, that is thermistor characteristics, viva of which many of you have already given. Okay, so Milind sir will begin. Milind sir.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Yes, good evening, all. Dear student, good evening. Hello, students.
Hello.
Good evening, sir.
Yes,
Good evening, sir.
Okay. Can I proceed, dear student? Ma'am, can I
Yes,
start?
sir.
Okay.
It is a very short thing. It will hardly take some time. So let's start.
Okay. Yes. I will share screen. Dear student, aim title of experiment is characteristics of thermistor, and we know that thermistor is thermal resistor. Resistance is a property of component, passive component, and using temperature we can make changes in particular device. Thermistor, combination of thermal and resistor. Okay. See, there are 7 different icons. First is for theory, procedure, self evaluation. Then we will show simulator, assignment, references, and then last is feedback. Okay. Aim of our today's experiment is to plot characteristics of thermistor and hence find the temperature coefficient of resistance. Okay. Means what are the, yes, generally there are in solids categorized into generally 3 parts: conductor, semiconductors, and insulator or dielectric material. And generally thermistor are always made of what? Yes, anyone can yes, can you answer? Thermistor are generally made up of what? Conductor, semiconductor, or insulator?
Semiconductors.
Nice, nice. And then second, this is about the theoretical part of today's experiment, that is character of thermistor. Aim, components, that is the required component and instrument for to uh, to verify character of thermistor. Then rheostat, using rheostat we can change current through circuit. Voltmeter, what is the purpose of voltmeter? We can measure potential difference across through that circuit. Then multimeter, you can check resistance, current, voltage. Then oil bath arrangement. Okay. And this is about the theoretical part. See, thermistor is a resistor whose resistance depends upon temperature. The word thermistor is a combination of thermal resistor. This is, and there are two types of thermistors can be classified, categorized into two types, PTC and NTC. PTC stands for positive temperature coefficient, and in PTC thermistor, in PTC type of thermistor, resistance increases with increase in temperature. But in case of negative temperature coefficient, that is short form is NTC thermistor, resistance decreases with increase in temperature. See the graphical behavior of resistance versus temperature of this is about the PTC, and like a curve, okay, exponential curve, and this is for NTC. Okay, this is about the graphical behavior of thermistor, NTC and PTC, that is the resistance versus temperature. Shall I proceed for next point, dear student? See,
Yes, sir.
thermistor are made up of semiconductors. Its combination of thermal and resistor means its resistance. Resistance, dear student, resistor is component, not resistance. Resistance is property of that a particular component which opposes to the flow of electric current. And in this case, electric current will flow that depends upon the value of temperature. And generally that such type of current is known as thermoelectric current. Understood? ये जो करंट मिल रहा है आपको, that is due to the thermal means temperature. Therefore such type of current is generally referred to as thermoelectric current. Okay, and this resistance property of opposition of a particular material depends on temperature. Two types: positive temperature coefficient and negative. In case of positive, resistance is increases with temperature, but in case of NTC, resistance decreases with increase in temperature. Okay, and then thermistor exhibits highly non-linear properties of resistance versus temperature. Dear student, can you find slope of straight line? Suppose y equal to mx plus c, and suppose your line is passing through passing through origin or intercept on positive y or negative y. Can you find slope? Yes or no? Yes, perfect answer है आपका. Superb, nice. y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. From the coordinates we can find. But if from the knowledge of theta, what is the formula to find out slope? Anyone? Dear student, please answer. Can you find from the knowledge of theta, can you find out the slope of a particular line?
Tan theta.
Yes, very good, tan theta. Okay, from knowledge of theta we can find out the slope, as well as from the coordinates. Y2 minus ordinates means y and coordinate means x and y. Y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, we can find out slope. But can you find, dear student, can you find graph of exponential function x raised to x, x raised to minus x? Yes or no? Anyone? Can you find graph? Can you find slope of exponential function e raised to x like this? E raised to x, e raised to any power. Can you find exponential curve? Suppose एक curve है, ये ऐसा curve है like this. Can you find? ये देखो. Can you find slope of this? This is curve. Can you find? Yes, perfect. आपका answer है. No, you cannot find. But you can convert that a particular function, exponential function, in log form. What are the types of logs? Anyone? Dear student, कितने types है log के? Hello?
2 types, no, sir.
Yes, perfect. There are 2 types of log: basic common logarithm and integration log. Okay, natural log बोलते ln. L for log and N for natural. Okay, and from the integration of a particular value, we can find out the particular log value, 2.303 into log of common. Understood? Then in this case, we will use natural log, not common log. Understood? Okay. Generally common log is generally for data representation we can use common log, but in this case we can only use natural log, that is ln. Okay, therefore here this such is exponential function, graphical behavior of exponential function, we cannot find out directly slope of a particular nature of nature of particular parameters or quantities. Therefore you have to convert that exponential function into linear function using log. Understood? आपको जो एक कर्व मिलेगा ना, you cannot find out the exact slope, but you this is about the exponential function e raised to x or e raised to minus x. Therefore you should convert that exponential function, curve function, into straight line, and using log function you can convert. Log function use करके ही आप you can convert into straight line, and then you can find out the slope. See the formula, the dependence of resistance on temperature. See, r into r0 into e raised to exponent of, that is exponential function. See, e raised to beta 1 by t minus 1 by t0. ये है, okay. See, exponential function, we cannot find out the slope of such type of exponential function. Therefore you should convert exponential function into straight line using log function. Understood? Therefore r is resistance of thermistor at a particular temperature in Kelvin. R0 is the resistance at temperature at room temperature, generally denoted by lab temperature, or T0 again in Kelvin, and beta is the material specific constant. Our aim is to find out beta, and if you want to find out beta, then you should take log of both sides. Which log? Natural log, ln. You don't take common log. Generally common log is generally used for data communication, transfer of data, data representation, generally based use binary symbol 0 and 1. Okay, उसमें वो common log use करते हैं. Here such type of experiment you should use natural log. Okay, then if you want to find out the value of beta, you should take log of both sides, and then we can find out beta. See, this is the formula to find out the resistance at a particular temperature. Dear student, if you have any query, immediately ask. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए मैं ही बोलते जा रहा हूँ. Okay, if you have any query, you can immediately unmute and you can ask. Okay, if you have any suggestion, सर बहुत फास्ट जा रहा है, स्लो जाओ, कुछ सजेशन है, क्वेरी है, यू कैन आस्क. यस, this is about the resistance formula to find out the resistance of thermistor at a particular temperature which is measured in Kelvin. Okay, then next point. एक मिनट, मैम बोला. Dear student, this is about theory. You can read after anytime. Okay, see, this is the graphical behavior. See the log. Okay, linear function. This is NTC. See, and PTC. Then I will. This is about the theoretical part. Then you can see the procedure. You can click on this procedure icon, and you will get the procedure of this experiment. Okay, this is circuit. This is thermistor. आपको ये कर्सर दिख रहा है ना मेरे राइट हैंड साइड? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Of
See,
this virtual
positive.
lab, sir will actually show you the apparatus. See the beauty of the virtual lab. Since we have not visited our physics department lab, now see the beauty of this lab.
Okay. See, millimeter is connected to positive of battery, then millimeter or negative of millimeter to one terminal of thermistor, and other terminal of thermistor to negative terminal of. This is the basic diagram of simple diagram of to find out the characteristics of thermistor. Okay. Therefore, first read theory part, then see procedure. What are the procedure steps? Okay. Then self evaluation. Then click on self evaluation, and then we will check. Yes. Please help me to solve this questionnaire. ठीक है डियर स्टूडेंट, कर सकते हैं ना हेल्प मुझे, क्योंकि मुझे वो
Yes, sir.
वी विल सॉल्व. यस, तो फर्स्ट इज I will read. एक minute, किसी का आवाज ज़्यादा आ रहा है. Okay. Thermistor is yes. Anyone? Ceramic,
ceramic
Ceramic
Yes, very
semiconductor.
good. Perfect. Superb. Second, regarding negative temperature coefficient thermistor, choose the correct one. कौन सा आएगा?
Option A.
A sir, A.
A. Resistance decreases with increase in temperature. Yes, very good. Okay. Then regarding positive temperature coefficient, yes. Anyone?
Option C.
C. Very good. Perfect. Resistance increases with increase in temperature. Very good. Log R versus R dash मतलब R versus 1/T characteristic of thermistor is linear, straight line parallel to x axis, x और y, non linear और parabola. कौन सा है?
पक्का काउंट चालू कर लिया.
Yes. Superb. आपका आंसर परफेक्ट है. 101% करेक्ट है. Linear. Superb आंसर है. Yes. Fifth. What is the relation
Students,
between?
kindly mute your personal things when you're answering. Only then switch on.
Dear student. Okay. Fifth. What is the relation between alpha and beta? Yes. Anyone? Alpha and beta. Yes, perfect. आपका आंसर है. Alpha equal to minus beta upon t square. Okay. And last is 6 electrical resistance of thermistor on a particular temperature is given by. Yes, ये तो आना चाहिए. This is the which function? Exponential function. Okay. कौन सा फंक्शन है वो? एक्सपोनेंशियल. तो r equal to this. Okay. ये पूरा एक और रीड एंड फर्स्ट रीड theoretical part, procedural part and then submit. देखो, we will check. आपका आंसर करेक्ट है. Yes, Tharmi, this is correct regarding yes. Superb. Okay, 100% marks मेरे आपको. Thank you so much. Yes, this is about the self evaluation. Then we will see the simulator. ये देखो simulator. Okay, see.
See this simulator. See how the lab has apparatus.
Okay, see. First is what? First click on show circuit diagram. ये देखो साइड में circuit diagram आया. Okay. Then connect positive of milliammeter to positive terminal of a power supply है. Okay, a power supply है. This is milliammeter. This is the thermometer, digital thermometer. ये आपका ऑयल बात है. The which is consist of thermistor. इसमें thermistor है. Okay. ये ऑयल बात है, इसमें थर्मिस्टर है. एंड आवर एम इज टू फाइंड आउट द थर्मल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ थर्मिस्टर. ओके. देन ये देखो, दिस इज सिंबलिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ थर्मिस्टर. ओके. और ये बर्नर है. ओके. देन दिस इज द पॉजिटिव ऑफ आई. देखो, जस्ट क्लिक एंड कनेक्ट टू द. यस, कनेक्ट टू व्हाट? पॉजिटिव ऑफ. इज इट करेक्ट? देखो, सी दिस मिलीमीटर कर्सर से. ओके. निगेटिव ये देखो, निगेटिव टू थर्मिस्टर. तो थर्मिस्टर इज व्हाट? ये तो इधर से जस्ट ड्रैग. कनेक्शन हुआ? यस. एंड सेकेंड टर्मिनल ऑफ थर्मिस्टर टू नेगेटिव. तो इधर से नेगेटिव से ये देखो कनेक्शन हुआ. ओके. यस. एंड दिस इज व्हाट योर. ये क्या है आपका? डिजिटल थर्मामीटर. तो इधर से वायर लो और इधर से कनेक्ट करो. चलो, दिस इज अबाउट. कनेक्शन हुआ? फाइनल. हेलो, can you do?
Yes, sir.
Can you make
Yes,
your
sir.
connection? Yes.
Yes,
Dear
sir.
student, if you have any problem, you can ask anytime 24/7. ठीक है? ओके, ठीक है. ये कनेक्शन होने के बाद फर्स्ट क्लिक what is the first step? Show circuit diagram. Just then connect, make connections as per circuit diagram. Yes. Next is what? See, using this you can switch on or switch off. ये देखो, ये मैंने switch on किया. You can switch off. Switch off मतलब 0 वोल्ट मिलेगा. Just click. ये देखो, switch on किया, 0.1 वोल्ट है. Corresponding current is what? 1 millimeter. Yes. What is the Ohm's law? Anyone? What is the Ohm's law? Dear student, what is the Ohm's law?
V is equal to IR.
Yes, V equal to IR. Our experiment, in this experiment, our aim is to find out the resistance and temperature. Using this thermometer, you can easily note down temperature. In temperature note down कर सकते हैं. But again, from the knowledge of voltmeter, ये देखो voltage इधर मिलेगा. From the knowledge of voltage and current, can you find resistance? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
इधर
sir.
आपको voltage मिलेगा, इधर आपका current मिलेगा. Then R equal to V upon what? I. You will get resistance and corresponding temperature तो आपका है. Note down all readings and then plot the graph. I will show graphical behavior. एक connection होने के बाद, see what is the room temperature? ये देखो ये lab temperature है. Okay. Corresponding lab temperature ये देखो, switch on this. कितना voltage है? ये देखो 0.1. Okay, जो है 0.1 volt and corresponding current. From this voltage upon current, you can find out the resistance. Then click on show graph. See, a graph मिलेगा आपको. Okay. Then you can see show result. Result भी आपको just click on that. तो आपको नीचे पूरा result मिलेगा. ये देखो. Otherwise, just note down the. देखो 25 के लिए voltage कितना है? 0.1. Current कितना है? 1. Okay, milliampere. So make one table, okay, and note down this reading and you can solve. Then increase this voltage. आप temperature increase करो, voltage same चलेगा. Temperature just ये देखो slider है, मैंने 25 का किया, suppose 28. Yes. Is there any change in current, dear student? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, very good.
Yes.
So V upon I, you will get one more value of resistance. Understood? तो ये ऐसा चेंज करो. 28 हुआ, बाद में 30. टेक इंटरवल ऑफ 1 डिग्री और 2 डिग्री. ठीक है. 31 के लिए देखो, नोट डाउन करो. देखो, इज देयर एनी चेंज इन ग्राफ? आपका जो राइट हैंड साइड में देखो ग्राफ, देखो सी. This is which type of graph? Linear की exponential, dear student?
Linear.
Very good, linear. देखो, I am increasing resistance temperature, but here resistance is what? Decreasing. Therefore, this is which type of semiconductor, dear student? Perfect. आपका आंसर है NTC. Okay, negative. Understood? तो ऐसा ये change करके just change करो. Suppose मैंने अभी initial लिया 25, make it 26, note down, then 27, 28, take minimum 25 or 30 reading and try to plot graph. देखो ये. I will take one more session how to plot graph using Excel also. Okay, plotting taking graph instead of taking graph paper. ये देखो. Okay, and this is your graph. And देखो, see this is boiling of your water. देखो, जैसे मैं increase कर रहा हूँ ना temperature, देखो maximum is what is the BP of water, इसलिए इसका जो ये है ना
100.
इसका range है 100 रखा है. देखो ना, see there is boiling. Okay, voltage is constant. There is increase in what? Current. Understood, dear student? Okay, ये देखो ये बंद करने का है तो click on ए तो बंद होगा पूरा. Power on. इधर भी ये switch on switch off कर सकते हैं. Yes, any doubt up to this level, dear student? Understood? And then from
Yes,
the
sir.
values you can plot graph. You can plot graph. ठीक है? Hello.
म्यूट कर जरा तेरा स्टूडेंट्स.
Hello, ma'am.
हेलो
हाँ, ma'am.
स्टूडेंट्स,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
you can do the experiment, various experiments without actually having the apparatus with you. You can see the meters. You can see the water being boiled. You can see the temperature varying. So all this is there, but you don't have an apparatus physically with you. Okay. So we'll continue, and after which you will have a feedback session, which you will put in the feedback and you will exit. Till you don't put a feedback, I don't consider that you all were present. Okay. So, sir, continue, please.
Yes, thank you so much, ma'am. Namrata ma'am. Yes, dear student, any doubt? Can you make connections?
Yes, sir.
Yes, a simulator
sir.
है. This बाद में there is one assignment. A assignment है. Okay, I will show assignment. A अलग find the value of beta for temperature 40 and 20 for different voltage. Okay. Instead of this, please try to solve. Please check here. Make your self-analysis questionnaire, and there are different references. Okay. Yes. ठीक है. Please try to check all these. समझे ना कैसे कनेक्शन करने का. बिफोर दैट जस्ट फर्स्ट व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप, शो सर्किट डायग्राम. एंड इधर से सब ये क्या है, पॉजिटिव, दिस इज पावर सप्लाई, पॉजिटिव पावर सप्लाई टू पॉजिटिव ऑफ मिली एमीटर डायरेक्टली. ये देखो ऐसा करो. ओके. देन नेगेटिव टू थर्मिस्टर. ओके. देन नेगेटिव ऑफ मिली एमीटर टू अनदर टर्मिनल ऑफ थर्मिस्टर. ये है जस्ट drag, drop and drag. Okay, and then switch on करो, current voltage मिलेगा. If you want to view graph, just click and using this slider you can change. ये देखो, immediately you will get readings. Okay, show result. आपको ये देखो alpha equal C. There is one formula to find out alpha. तो you can, ठीक है, reset चाहिए तो reset करो. And yes, thank you so much. Yes, any doubt up to this level, then I will show how to submit feedback, which is very important.
No, sir.
No,
Not now.
Yes, thank you so much for
Yeah, hope all our students understood this activity very well. And in the assignment section, you can see there are 4-5 assignments given. So you can try, okay? You can reset, you can keep giving the values, you can, as sir has explained, you can, on and on, you can try all the 5 assignments, you can submit and check for your own self, okay? You can get, the ultimate is to get the temperature coefficient of resistance, right? Alpha. So this way, at least today, you can spend time doing this activity, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I will show after completion of this. I will show how to submit feedback form. Okay. Yes, Sima ma'am. Yes, Steffi, can I show how to submit feedback?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The students are clear with it, it seems.
Okay. Yes, thank you so much, dear student. I will show